Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this session, we are going to understand different operations which can be performed in Boolean algebra. So related to Boolean algebra, Boolean um, expressions, I have covered a session previously. So this is the continuation of that. So please watch that particular session in order to get the basic understanding of what is Boolean algebra. So yeah, we will quickly start with the session. So what is this Boolean algebra and what are the basic operations which can be performed in Boolean algebra? So the basic operations, as I already told in the previous session, are and, or, and not. Not is nothing but a inverter, I can say. So and we will first go series wise, like and we will try to complete, and then or, and then not. So and is nothing but the symbol is a dot, I can say, in this column as I'm showing now. So this is the dot which you are able to see. So this dot is a representation of this and operation, whereas or is nothing but the operation is represented by plus sign, so it is all the or operation, and whereas not operation is represented by bar in above the or cap, we can say. So this a bar is represented as a not or inverter operation. So let us quickly start with this and operation, and then or, and then we'll move on to not. So in this and, so a dot a and a, I can say dot means and. So a and a is equals to a. This is the basic things which you have to remember in order to solve any of the Boolean expressions. So a ANDed with itself means a variable ANDed with itself is will give itself. So a and with 0 will give you 0. So you can and a and with 1 will give you a. So a and with a bar means inverter of a will give you 0. Okay, so now how to remember this thing? So please try to remember in this way. So a dot a means a, you have to remember. There won't be any a square. You just try to think this as a simple multiplication, and then things will be very easy. So a dot a, it will be actually a square, but a square will not be there. So you can remember as a, because this is the only one way you have to remember. So there is nothing called a square. Okay, so just in this case, actually this is an exception. So a dot a is nothing but a. So a and with 0, something multiplied by a variable multiplied by 0 will give you 0. So give it 0. So a multiplied by 1, anything multiplied by 1 will give itself. So a will is the answer. So a dot a bar is equals to 0 means try to substitute 1 or 0 here. So if I take a as 1, then a bar will be 0 definitely. So 1 into 0 is nothing but 0. In this way you have to remember. This is just the shortcut which tip which I told you to remember. In this way you can follow any of the tricks or tips to understand. So next is OR operation. So OR is nothing but A OR of A means OR is represented by plus sign, which I have already told you. So A OR with a variable ORed with itself will give you itself. So in the same way, and OR operations will hold true. So variable multiplied by itself will give you itself. So in this way, you have to remember. So so a or with a is equals to a. A or with 0 is nothing. You can simply remember like this. So a or with 0 is nothing but a. A or with 1 is nothing but 1, you will get it. So this is very important thing where you have to remember, because this most of the times it will be a confusion. So remember, a dot 0 is a plus 0 is not a, or with 0 is equal to a, and a or with 1 is nothing but 1. So this is law of addition, I can say. So a or with a bar is nothing but 1. So how we can treat this as 1? So plus in this case, a and a bar, where and all they are involved, you can just take one value. Okay, so a as 1 and a bar will be 0. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. So 1 or with 0 is nothing but 1. So in this way, the OR operations, you have to remember the laws with respect, or basic operations which can be performed in OR. So one thing important where things will go wrong is a or with 1. So you have to remember it is answer is 1, and a or with 0 answer is a. So these are all the important, and a or with itself, a or a and with itself will give you itself. So means a only. So this is all about OR operation, and next we'll go for NOT operation, which is very clear now. So inverter, NOT is nothing but the inverter basically. So inverter means A inverted, means not of A is nothing but A bar, I can say. So this A bar whole bar means the answer is A, means both the bars will be cancelled and it will be A. So A is 1, then A bar is 0. So A is 1, A bar will be 0. Okay. So A is 1, A bar will be 0. A is 0, A bar will be 1. So A bar bar whole bar is nothing but. So A is 1 here. So A 1 bar of bar means it will be 1 only. So because 1 we have to invert one time, it will be 0, and invert 0 again will give you 1. So this is all about basic operations, Boolean operations, which you have to remember, and regarding and, or, and not. And in the next session I will try to cover more types of things which you have to remember in case of Boolean algebra solving problems. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates or notifications, and please watch the previous session related to Boolean algebra which I have completed long back. So please try to watch that session, and then you please come back to here, and then definitely things will be very easy for you to understand. So till then, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.